Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 on a 68 reg BMW 218i M Sport Coupe. Now these are a wonderful car. This is finished in the Estoril blue metallic. Now this is a colour you can only buy in the M Sport range. So very, very highly desirable colour. Sat on the 18-inch double spoke graphite style alloy wheels, and they are in wonderful order. Now the paintwork on the Estoril blue cars does just ping off the panels at you. You've got that kidney grille in chrome. The M Sport then gets the more aggressive front bumper with the air ducts all built in. We get the side skirts, and then as we go around the rear of the vehicle, you'll see that the diffuser then is incorporated into the rear bumper. Now the paintwork on this car is in fantastic condition. Our detailing department have done a full machine polish and clay bar on this, so it is ready and presented to the highest of standards. When you take a look down the car, it is free from trolley dent. You can see the paint just as shiny as it is. You can even see your face in there, as you can see my beautiful face in the paintwork. But as you come round here, the rear bumper is slightly fatter, and then it incorporates the rear parking sensors into that as well. The lower part is high gloss finish. Now as I open the boot, you then get a really good sized boot on these. Split folding rear seats as well, so incorporated a bit more practicality into the coupe. Batteries under there. Obviously these are an inflation style tyre. We've got the toolkit down there. You don't get a spare wheel on a lot of these new cars, whether they've got run flat tyres on or the inflation kit, depending on how the previous keepers kept them. Again, the driver's side mirrors the passenger and he's free from any trolley dent. Real mark. We might have gone round ourselves when we've detailed it, just touched the odd stone chip in just to make it look as good as it was when it was new. But a wonderful, wonderful car. Now when I open the driver's door there, we are greeted with Estoril M Sport stitched seats. They're finished in Alcantara leather, and then we get the, shall we say, the zigzag cloth detailing throughout. That then mirrors and follows onto the door cards, and we get the silver aluminium knurled handrest and handle, and then the M Sport kick plates. Full set of tailored BMW mats. Popping into the car, we then have automatic headlamps, we've got automatic wipers, we've got two keys here waiting in the centre console. Press the button and the dashboard jumps into life. This later car has the digital cockpit, so you can see the everything is, I suppose, digital. 32,658 miles, as it says there. And then we've got air conditioning, we've got then the CD player as well as DAB and Bluetooth. The command system is all in here, so Sat Nav, Bluetooth will run through the system. So this is the latest system in this, so as you can see we can scroll along. On the other ones you can't. So we can then choose what particular system we want. Just click down and there we've got the map. You can always press back and then it goes through everywhere. Connect drive, my status, my vehicle. Let's have a look at the status, because that's where most people, so it's going to have all of these done before it leaves us. Service history, well, it's not on the system there, so it'll be a service papered, all the details there, but that's not a problem. That'll be listed in our advert. Estoril blue and the silver detail runs throughout the dashboard and then onto the door card. The seats in this vehicle are in as new order. No plucks, tears, cigarette burns, anything like that. I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last keeper was a non-smoker. It still has that fresh new smell. All our cars are the higher grade cars, because that's the way we do things here in Alpha Motors. We only offer the best and then present it to the highest of standards. And when you buy a car which is like that, you're not then putting anything right that somebody else has neglected. But what a beauty. That car is absolutely gorgeous. D-badged as well there on the back, just got the BMW badge, so it's not saying what engine it is, etc. So yeah, bit of a stealth car. LED rear lights, as you can see, but a beautiful, beautiful example. Now, we offer click and collect here, or reserve and collect. That means you can put a £250 fully refundable deposit on this vehicle. That will take it off sale, and we will get it ready for you, so you only need to visit Alpha Motors here in Wigan once. Once you've test drove it, once you're happy with the condition, if you've got a part exchange, we can give you a price over the phone. If you need finance, we can give you a price over the phone too on that one, and get everything ready so you only come to Wigan once. At which point then we can have a coffee, we can discuss the car, we can enjoy purchasing your new vehicle from us. Once you're happy, we'll register it, you'll make payments to us through your banking app, or you'll take the finance option, and all that's already in place. Have a look at our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star dealer here in Wigan. Take on Auto Trader, have a look at our social media, whether it be Instagram or Facebook. Have a look at our TV channel on YouTube, you'll see lots of wonderful cars just like the one you're looking at now. I'm Graham, we've got Dominic and Lee on sales as well. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can, but this is a wonderful car. So we've got the overmats, we've got 2 keys, we've got the book pack, we've got everything that was available when it was new in 2018 is still available here today for you, and a lovely low mileage car in a top condition. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.